Health Info Talk provides health and medical information that is quality assured, reliable, up-to-date and easy to understand.
This tiny nut is pretty mighty. What makes the unsung hero of the nut world such a powerful health food? For starters, it's the richest known food source of selenium out there, with just 2 of the tiny nuts providing more than a day's worth of the mineral. Selenium not only plays a key role in metabolism, immunity and reproductive health, but also helps the body absorb vitamin E, which can help ward off cataracts later in life. Not to mention, Brazil nuts are packed with health boosters like copper, zinc, potassium, riboflavin, heart-healthy fats and magnesium, a mineral many women are deficient in.
Walnuts. Unsaturated fat can help reduce abdominal fat. Saturated fat can increase waist size, a study published in the journal Diabetes found. Saturated fats, like the kind you'll find in baked goods and red meat, turn on certain genes that increase the storage of fat in the belly, researchers say. Polyunsaturated fats, on the other hand, activate genes that reduce fat storage and improve insulin metabolism. At about 13 grams per 1 ounce serving, walnuts are one of the best dietary sources. Sprinkle a handful on your morning oats or entree salad for belly-busting benefits.
Almonds. Think of each almond as a natural weight loss pill. A study of overweight and obese adults found that, combined with a calorie-restricted diet, consuming a little more than a quarter cup of the nuts can decrease weight. And after 24 weeks, those who ate the nuts experienced a 62% greater reduction in weight and BMI. For optimal results, eat your daily serving before you hit the gym.
Pistachios. UCLA Center for Human Nutrition researchers divided study participants into 2 groups, each of which were fed a nearly identical low-cal diet for 12 weeks. The only difference between the groups was what they were given to eat as an afternoon snack. One group ate 220 calories of pretzels while the other group munched on 240 calories worth of pistachios. Just 4 weeks into the study, the pistachio group had reduced their BMI by a point, while the pretzel-eating group stayed the same, and their cholesterol and triglyceride levels showed improvements as well.
Peanut butter. While the classic nut butter shares some health benefits with other nut butters, there tend to be fewer healthy versions available on the market. Peanut butters are most often processed with hydrogenated oils and sugar, so make sure you check the label carefully. Organic is always your best option.
Cashew butter. With a rich, smooth texture, cashew butter is slightly lower in calcium than other varieties, but can still pack a nutritional punch. It's a good source of phosphorus, magnesium, calcium and copper, and shouldn't be overlooked, explains Middleberg. Magnesium boasts a myriad of health benefits, Middleberg continues, such as helping your body relieve various conditions like constipation, insomnia, headaches and muscle cramps, as well as regulating the immune system and supporting brain function. Thank you for watching Health Info Talk. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates and news. And do like our FB page. www.facebook.com, Health Info Zone. follow us on Twitter at HealthInfoTalk1.